கொஞ்சம் வைடாக ஓப்பன் ஆகும் கால். Next position, Prasarita Pada Uttanasana. Feet together. Take the left leg wide open apart. Should be comfortable. Back straight. Slightly drop your chin. While inhale from the front, raise your arms. While exhale, bend forward from the lower back. Keep palms on the floor parallel to the feet. The crown of head on the floor. Arms leading the movement. Come on. Drop your arms, exhale. 3 more rounds. Inhale, raise your arms from the front. Bend forward, exhale. Keep palms parallel. The crown of touches on the floor. Arms leading the movement. Come up. Inhale. Drop your arms, exhale. Inhale, raise your arms. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale. Drop your arms, exhale. Last one round. Inhale. Bend forward, exhale. Inhale. Drop your arms, exhale. Now feet together. Thank you.